Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the factors of the polynomial y square plus 8xy minus of 5y minus 40x. So what we are going to do is we are going to divide the four terms in a group of two. So the first group will contain the first two terms and the second group will contain the last two terms. So let's put it in a pair of brackets. So y square plus 8xy, and from here we have minus of 5y minus 40x. Now if you observe carefully, then we can find that from y square plus 8xy we can take y common from both the terms. So it will become y multiplied by y plus 8x, and from the second pair of brackets we can take minus of 5 common. So it will become minus of 5 multiplied by y plus 8x. So it will become y minus 5 whole multiplied by y plus 8x. Thus we have expressed the given polynomial in its factorized form. So this will be our required final answer. Thank you.